Hello viewers, welcome back everybody in English class. Today I'm going to share you chapter of class 9, that is the poem The Road Not Taken. But before to start the class, I request everybody to share, like and comment to my YouTube video. Then subscribe it also, you will get next episode here. So once again I'm telling the chapter, the poem The Road Not Taken is having the very heavy message. What is the heavy message here written by an American poet Robert Frost? Ki life depends on the challenges. Ki which type of the life we want. Suppose we are the students. If we will have the choice, according to that we can shape our future and career. So once what was happening, let me tell you the central idea of the poem. Once the poet was going through the forest, that was the yellow color forest. Means ki yellow color forest means what? That was the season of autumn. So because of that, the yellow leaves were there on the road. In the very first stanza, he is telling that he was one traveler. That's why he was feeling sorry also, that being one traveler, how I can choose the both road. Means what happened there? He was passing by there and he met with two roads. The two roads were diverging. How many? Two roads were diverging. At that time he was thinking a couple of times that which road I should choose. There was a diversion of two roads and he was watching the both road separately. He stood there for the long time and he has started watching the very first road, that up to where it is going, up to his eyesight he was watching the first road, and now he is going to compare both the roads. But he found that first road is having the better claim, or second road was having the better claim. He found the second road was having the better claim. Why? Because on the second road so many green grasses were there. No, it was grassy, it was wanted where. Means second road he found that it was less traveled by the traveler. But he found both roads are having very normal differences. Means both were having the lips on the road. But second he found the better to travel today. Okay, so he was having the doubt which route I should choose now. So after thinking a couple of time, he found the better claim on the second road. I should go by this road today. Then he found that when first road is there, so leave it for the first time. Okay, when I will come back ever, so I will choose this road. That was the choice. Okay, so he was in the dilemma that means here it is the masses also, whenever we are going to choose anything, so we are in the confusion and dilemma which is the better, which is the right, which is the wrong. We are in confusion. So every time ask your heart that what is good and what is bad. Okay, so again I want to say choices makes the difference. Student, this is the summary class also. I can't go line by line here. So here he's telling with the connection with the life also, choice is having the connection with the life. As you choose the option, according to that your future determines, your life determines, your career determines on your choice. So don't miss the time. Time is very valuable. When the time passes, it will never come back. So when you have the accurate time of taking the decision, be positive, be careful, be alert during choosing your career. Okay, so it is only about the messages of choosing the option. It is all about your choice, as Robert Frost is sharing the experience to the viewers, to the readers, that once I met with the two roads, and there I found the diversion. See now, it is a very simple incident happened with the poet, and he composed the poem. Such type of the incidents are happening with us also, but we never care about it. So he is what he's telling here. He's sharing the experience, own personal experience to the audience, that he once he faced the situation of diversion of two road, and he started following the second road because of the better claim, and he left the first road. When I will come back, I will say this, but it is the irony. He was thinking at all there, is it possible to come back there ever? He was in the dilemma and doubt that I should ever come back. That means what? It is the irony. So overall, I'm telling you future depends on your choice. Future depends on your determination. So have positive thought about taking your decisions. At least be careful and alert during your choosing any option. Come back again to the poem, that what it is. The poem is all about your choices. The poet is adventurous. In the same way, the message is here we should always try to be an adventurous creature. No, he could also have chosen the first road, but why not he has chosen the first road? Why he have chosen the second road? Because he was an adventurous creature. So it is the human nature. There is a confusion, but at the time of taking the decision, be careful, be alert. Thank you. We will meet you soon in the next episode. But before that, I'm telling, comment, subscribe, and like my channel. Goodbye.